basic programming is complete, programming for seasonal adjustment, or the solar sync setting, I will introduce in another video how the control computer now does its job. To have it done, I just simply turn the knob forward. On operation at 4:43 p.m. in the evening or afternoon on Saturday, the control. The computer will thus start again on Monday early at 6 a.m. To open circle now, it may be that I am outside. To irrigate the lawn outside of the regular rhythm, for this, I have two options. I can choose one that I selected. Section manual irrigation can be done here, manual operation, or I can do this. Manually start the complete program outside of the programming. Let's start with the manual operation of a single section I have. For example, I applied grass seed today and would like to focus on area 2, manually irrigate my second irrigation zone. For this, I switch the rotary switch to manually operated, and you see here zone number 1 with 7 minutes set. This 7 minutes takes over the entire duration. In total, control device from our time programming. Now I will irrigate zone 2 instead of zone 1, so I switch to zone 2 and I get 7 minutes preset as well. This follows from the standard programming. Now I have freshly sown lawn that needs to be watered vigorously. So I will increase the entire duration of the whole process to approximately about 10 minutes, and then begin the rhythm. By simply turning the dial to the operation mode, you will easily see just a small symbol, slight pause. It is irrigated according to the programming. By the way, this has no influence if I now, for example, continue to turn the setting for irrigation duration. Program 1, we switch to program number 2 for zone number. For a total of 7 minutes, 2 individuals remain in this location with the dial set to off. They are quietly observing the surroundings, ensuring nothing is disturbed. The atmosphere is calm and still as they patiently wait for the designated time to pass, maintaining focus on their task. I have finished the irrigation, but now I do not want to irrigate just a single sector. Irrigate a single zone individually outside of the program. I can run the complete program outside of the scheduled times. Do this very easily. I simply switch the controller to operation and simply press the cursor to the right for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, then release the key and can make adjustments to settings here. The time up and down for the set individual zones. And you can already see the symbol of the lawn sprinkler is already running. So now we currently have the program running. I am turning it off again now. The symbol changes to the struck through sprinkler. And we now have day, hour, and year to start the cycle. At 6 o'clock in the morning, the irrigation duration for each individual zone, and the irrigation days, when exactly the complete program should start, set so that this setting remains in the event of a power outage. Battery failures do not disappear. I would like to address this directly in the save device here. I switch to. I turn on the operation and press the plus button and the program button at the same time for a significantly longer period of time, and you will clearly see the symbols appearing from left to right, and then all tasks that I have now successfully programmed into the device are completed, kept in case of data loss or when all settings have been slightly mixed up. I use the minus button and the program button by also pressing these to restore the programming over a longer period, and then I am already at the end of my little tutorial. I hope I was able to help you in the decision-making process I have briefly and concisely explained how the Hunter X Core works for a single zone. The program is programmed with several zones, and how I can manually adjust the whole thing, how to control individual sectors, or how to operate the program outside of can start the program for more complex programming, and